Let's talk about the Hanvey Bathing Beauty Deep Coat Cleansing System. You're going to love this, so stand by. In this video, we're going to discuss how to operate the Bathing Beauty Deep Coat Cleansing System. We will not be going into the deep techniques of how you use it on individual dogs, but be looking for them because we will be posting these on the GoHanvey.com as they are created. Our bathing system is the Hanvey Bathing Beauty. To turn the Bathing Beauty on, you're going to press this air bulb. This is not an electrical switch, it's actually an air bulb. It has an air tube that goes to a switch in the back that turns it off and on. You can vary the flow of your Bathing Beauty by turning this little handle on the nozzle. And you're going to love this. Nice pressure. Look at that. Now we're going to go ahead and turn it down to its lowest. When it's on its lowest setting, it's about 2 gallons a minute. When you're at the highest setting, you're looking at about 8 gallons a minute. Imagine that. 8 gallons of water flushing through a coat in 1 minute with this system. But wait. Our groomers have reported to us a secret speed grooming tip. You have a very thick, heavy coated, let's call them a doodle or something of the kind. Take the white plastic nozzle tip off, leaving the silver volume control valve, and you just increased your flow to somewhere between 10 and 13 gallons a minute. If you take the silver valve off, you have major amounts of water in the range of 16 to 18 gallons per minute. But beware, water will splash everywhere if you do not cup your hand around the nozzle tip or the end of the hose and kind of hold that water from spraying everywhere and help flush that water into the coat. We're talking a lot of water. Go to GoHanvey.com for more details on these particular procedures. When you're through bathing a dog, always turn the water flow to its lowest setting, then press the air bulb once to turn it off, like this, with your fingertip and not your palm. Hang the hose up after you turn the pump off, and you'll notice that the water that's in the hose will drain out the nozzle tip, and any water that's remaining in the pump will also drain out into the basin. This allows the hose and the pump to dry out while you're not using it, which means the hose and the pump will not get smelly from soured water. This is especially important on the weekends and for long-term parking, because if you leave that hose laying in the bottom of the tub, the water that's in that hose will sour and it will smell bad. So hang it up and keep it fresh. If you want to learn some real cool tips and tricks on how to use the Bathing Beauty and do things that you never thought you could ever do, go to Facebook and search Mobile Grooming the Hanvey Way. That is Mobile Grooming the Hanvey Way, and request to join and then ask, and they'll be happy to tell.